The movers and the shakers, number one, never let somebody censor you.
I am a native of Gabon.
Go back to the Holy Quran for solutions. Now the Quran bin Shah Zumba.
And you'll more Abdel Nasser, Imam Mahmoud Al Haji Jibril, Imam Mustasha.
Look at your beauty beyond your physical appearance.
Why not join me, Abdul Jalil Nabeli, the son of Musa Kumo, as my guests and I throw you to life-changing stories.
Network pa ma ko goba sagani TV mai no na chiva mbo nti hatu kulenye face alizumba da kurgani ya mitepeta anti afun bang mai no na chiva mbo ma katam fu ndo le sam tam kam ti zan la san topsele niveau topsele ngombe tetudungo onyala ngomba pongo man pambi agupune kanon futina halet lebgo ni sala insha Allah fuka be pambian yune ne wote be kamana ombe sham bi agupune ndozo kato zona titi go oselon kwam ni yeshale on pilega sham halane on palu sha ngoma di pasha katba to je go pam de fasara sha dem josane zan pate ba den zo kan na on sa filabgate so abi an ni topsa to my opinion on my northern achiever zungo me on kulian dia zama zan pa trend shale pilega ka non dangerous pam ka tunite bipolar non sa apam daba ngoma ni anya kan malla kamane on social media man pursi min dagbamba na miara na gbampi nshanga kan no very dangerous the opportunity cheka the chankatanga the opportunity bantin yan nang sham as youth especially the nin kuran wayi wumda nang ya solo ban ya nang sham kar dang pi do min man purgu min dagban difference kar pune to rozo the opportunity cheka yeto ashanga bian katina man la kaman mbo nyala man purgu kan mbo nya dagbana dezo te paza ayense ka de yerna te jasi pune tunto mal the differences yes but tiyan zan lala ben ngoma zan piete biasi pune de tiyan mai te palu she pulu ka de man la kamane kaza ayin sen de nyate de beji te pala street trust me don wum te pam te funye zaba ne course yeto asha ntiti so ban ya ma pam de nyin kura ki sa ser te bibi ngoma at bantin ya no sham mbe chakar chanka tanga ka kul people pon kaso abiane de sato lyabuge yeto awala ni yeto akara zantiti well no kulma shalamba kan ba kuliya zan so nyanya ni kurani en pierre pour sham nem di ko tabni ngum ka gbage ka zan pai hankal ne ka tugo gob ka bi aguma champion yan ka zantiti ti ngum tan to fo comme ça on zo ka labna ti vo ko ma ka labna insha Allah ne zanto za san to sulungo ma zan wa ati di amfani shaldin be o san do de chankata saganti mai no de chiva ka gumo to labna kupon.
I am Sheikh Muhammad Al-Amin Bamba.
Al-Haji Muhammad Mumuni, otherwise called Lawyer Mumuni.
Damascus Tuyoso.
Professor Amin Al-Hassan.
Yusuf Saidi.
Haja Mariam Idrisu.
Malik Al-Hassan Yakubu.
Abdullah Baba Salih.
Salfi Said.
Ibrahim Tanko Amin.
Abdurrahman Muhammad Hassan.
Haja Aishi to see.
Ahmed Abubakar Yusuf.
Keep watching my Northern TV.
Keep watching my Northern TV on Northern TV.
Na puka papam anna ku gumsa gan TV mai Northern Achiever sashen tinjan Yula Abdul Jalil na biale ka zungo da fsele wona fun yala ma te mene niveau topsele ka to kul kap na ona woyinga na tutun jege ozulun kwam ne yeshal no zan titi wula ku yisna wula ku zo gabja agu pune halata pare on shiya shisha ngoma ya ma wanda zo ya pamka ne ro pambiar ka ti boy ba na kana mai Northern Achiever ka ba ta ala ta boy ba na ka ta fuhe ban yeso ka fuhe ban yale ka fa arme ngushe bon dan yala lo sha pula yankana ntazan a hankal zilin shal dan biare zan son tunan bipolar ngoma har kan yin kura gwajar da fana domine gumsu ya to abiyar ne so min biya nan gumsu nan ka tare kan yala kamane so yan yale mun bana gumsu wadin sham ka oto ko dala na ponta maka na won yu ka yala ma Allah bugo zanto jan yala ka to zo da kun yala lo shafu to mbone nin fo tafsana ka kan da ta jirta al zama comme de zo ya pam ka tan kun yala ne bungo ba ka ta ala kamane ban kala store ban da kulli sina mun tiri yin wonye ne fo soma amma ba za a yi no kam malla o gbanin filga sham on non fitina shal halin ta pa gon pa lo shal pulon ba to rozo to kuyan so la solo nta na wa kulu yu ka te nyen ka ya nyen ka te bora da tune agba no solo ka ba ne solo ma amfani zo ka asati ti ka tun bor shal ma ka men ka solo ma di amfani to zo da solo ngome mini ya mangna justice imoro zublum mbala oyin do dompuni sai china de so
amba
tempo pam Antonio sa azante te gom ya mal te kara labe na o yiko mi onam me no so le bia chinchin piar ga zo na o yiko te mi la fo ayuta ba to ko ya chile sham ya mati am fo am pam ka pa gama kana ku ya ma shabbian ka ibo ya baba bo bor na bati ya de lala ni ngoma zo pour so ka to kuma tra to ti ya chile sham ya makamani ta pam wum de la yule ka shabbian go na bo ma yule ti player boy nyanya justice imoro zulum mpo ka mangna pa de so ngoni justice imoro zulum ya ka bedo ya yisna wula ka zo na hatisha anja shamo
pa na woni bisha kam nya na yikoni
masha
mangale de bedorma na ya
okay
1953 ka bedorma kan cham primary school na ya njini man changu shaw primary changu shaw mirror labna yende mirror na yakuba
okay
la gu shaqyaha so gu shaqanda na middle school 1967 kan na gu shaq middle school
masha Allah wow bino nyasa you know ban yere bia kam ta bi to do aso na ya o bia ko ba bia ko ba ti ko yan ko le nyanya kamane to ko ndun don ne gum so da wum sia ka wula ka wumsa bokara kulinya you kartu chaka ayi kace atababe kamane ka ba to ni nufsa so tan ji asa asha
na mari ko actually baranya teacher Mr. Mamar Bako kala wuro de yene primary kam manya housewife maradu la shinkafa ko rete so ko biye so tin yisna ka drati biane ka ntia mamin ba kabla tu golge ka yabda kuma changu shaw yabala muro na mantun ko doni kuma changu shaw ma katana ya bihe so tra ko koromi timino da kora katanya bibi chan puni de tama wusoda biane so tin kumbila puma hale ka ntepa form 4 kamba primero oranye teacher naya ko ra chan jabsante ko lapse de na miro na ko mira da magusha su kurma driver yomi ka de pembe ne kama ne file c'est ça dinye su kur parlement ko ra zama tahdi na kuba na kam miro biye de naya o paranye ndes ma Fatima Korle manda sor kurga ka parmana ka tor sam landa nya ka parbenema
kama ya da kavene ka da gombe ko tsa ma kam wasin farsa
tendana za na tor sam ka parmana ka parbe shakam ka kuna so rabin ba nta biaka manana na lit nta sukuru ka nticha to boamba pra akawa ka zibe wonan lit biaka mla okuto yelo ne de ne be yan tun sha landa nyel hal kantana middle school 67
you see ma lusu kan yere ma no na chiva no be shama no shi ka kusan za ntile because yam kurumbun ma hu ka searching from twarsa ka ben ka da gbambu twarsa o wi bi so kutune kama dunya ne pani shamu ma ba tumbo waza labata halti manu vira twarsa am kamba ko tulu ko piaba fu pati ma ta za ku yan twa ma hal mata sani ata masha Allah har sa am yam go to sa am yam go sa am wai kai okay ba chaka ko nyanya kamba ne from na kwa middle ya puloka acho
ta from na kwa middle ma tunda na form 4 nti amba prenda ku jela be varanda ne kan chante dressi na nyamala kanda magwa duba tabir bayi kama zalabia kanda dressi kazan zalabia ma yi ska yina garbe zo mun kana tamalma ndap chapsba kazon kana masa marabia nyo hani kama yama ne ruwa ne di wanza wata ambasari kala bolure benchen takurari ma na Accra kanda dol drive ma the time and ya 14 years kanda drive madana chinchan no staff kanda drive ma chinchan takurari from there to Accra kanda chang de nima mbara be nima shire tama bora ubara ran katuma tama telephones da kane tazara ko birin mi changanda waya ko chansha karlan kare hayala nyama nanda yuwa kambara be ne to kanda biyo sani ka wata zama ti preso ti yab nyoba go shira miro biya ko zama tu kan be prisma pring masani cantonments o para koko jakane o pana koko ma o pa koko ji kan ba nyagdi mana bon tur koko non nyag mana ka cham police headquarters da wa cantonments police headquarters nyama ko koko ma kam do kar mana ma mpara o ko na ka tranzang mana kuna mino pakma o Rama Garden weekends ko Waterloo prenga so mino da ko be garden mane ha le kadi ozo sorati kana ntinya makabo no kan nan ko na school ka kana lan yoro ni de o maldi o master panyo ama o danda bien ko to me de Kolebu Surgical Ward Virginia Benson ko pagma no bola house boy ka ora bo hadi yabma prengama I don't want to be chanko to house boy tuma dama de master pagma no bola house boy kanda ye ni chan ko yo no yo omro sawara kala chantu yoro ka wan sere de ko kana kanda ka hande bi hayi nduro ka chande biya da te bi okoshi da bi bi pa 1 year house boy kama bi chantu mane kan kuna kama do yema zanba ka bi me hon kan chantu yoyi na kanda nanda hale wandi kan tier master yadi bi ra yoma ba la bi ngo ndab dirle bi ko nda dira yilman kamal bosco tes ka sur kom so bi ra yoma ndab dir kan tiyo ya man lab nof yan bonin le teacher mamit yan ngam za teacher ma so kan da ti ka bi shaku duma ko kai no labte de chant training college kare de la bien chant de forms sub training ko exam nanda you at the time mara ba pass training college mama kanya marksha that means that I qualify and I lay people teacher so can da ba pass training college ma kale nya max 10 qualify ma for people teaching kan anda yo yerwa ninya people teaching wa mi la pila yeni district ka bi Accra ma o ya no kule sanye o yanir patare kene no kule ay ne sora bio yango nya house bono ko so pia so jene ma ma no kule dara ku duma kama inshallah sanye di da chanti pelore kanana ya ba pramire na biane ngunda gusuma na ya ma fonfoma kan chan nzang bang pa ko ra ko ora tam ne wa kan zo kabiya kan zang bang bublo on ko nje bang man ni ya people teacher ma ko su doni ko su mai ko biarani ko zama chan education office yene riko kapto post kat nambe shakam ka post ma chan patanga as a people teacher so patan kanda no people teacher no ko piri shamba
mashallah ba ni ambo asham ya kamani budu ala na ya that means that abada bi ala na ya kan do ala ka wura ka da chan ha ko to be Ankara you know
no bara tuma wala radnya teacher yene primary ntinye teacher balogo primary yema chant ntinye teacher mion sambubio from there tolong la machal primary katar tuma wala tar tuma har ka tun shelter son chan Accra workers brigade ko rat join kwam kuma 1966 bio bino kuma ka workers brigade match so ralan ka tuma ka gubi Accra den da sabmo tuma ba dizo ko ko rabi Accra tuma da to
mashallah all right so chat patrona after the people teaching partner how long did you stay there kana labna
but until sister nine can da be patama as a people teacher sister nine ma kan Canada tamarongo kapo ambio bible in the people teacher center interenda song mama so something sister nine ma get 70 polo kan lan lap sub training ko exam ma the time aka pass mira choose la training college ka pass ka channel road training college from the road training college ma ai na sha kan da teacher ngu sha holidays T1 te bon le T1 T2 T3 T4 4 years na yele we are trained to be teachers na kan teacher ngu sha ai min zo so ka ti dani kuna ka kullara ka dirfila ka so ko bace kena ta zan tore bayan konko tura ai bi na bace mai college yin za teacher na ma kan bi bandungo kace di in classmate ma mun za mun o raptan train ko min da be form 4 so ka wonna kale be ku shako kan da tinye zorma kan miro gora aka blasiti yam na mazan blasma pai ne sanyen ya para bien bama kan chanti yiro ya do so ku tamazel tout ça ne so kam ya teacher a shiro ne shamma o yirgama ma o kan lab training kulinda bi me chan karam le yi teacher talon ya ka tautuma ka ka cha dan ma gba yulde ka gba duna so na nyare so tin na be training ko hal form 4 1975 Bramal de Nkrumah established bi Shahode Tamal Secondary the special scholarship scheme anye teacher kulu ayol na training kulu Kabichan Secondary School exemption da biene inde sabe ka passer an chant de Tamal Secondary aba pass like exam kama O levels kar viala an chant lower 6 tama lower 6 na upper 6 na yale a sabla exam kaka O levels an chant form 4 so kan da join de form 4 nama my teacher tin da back family so form 4 bi ma bibi so min di vonanda nye classmates vonanda to le saka te pata wani di lieutenant Kenneth Tahiru Mpuang council of state member bio teranya classmates.
We've had them on this show.
Wonderful. Yes. We were classmates in Tamasco. So Tamasco ma form 4 can chant form 5. A form 4 ma can sub O level. Ma tamba bra yotland ten mo teacher da punyet so we are getting salary. There to that forms ma can sub O levels form 4 njagre 21. Ka chan ka bormo say ai ne revela ne chan form 5. Kan bormoji. I show you some now you come bela o. Then jump from 5 ma when I look there was no any problem. You pass me grade 18 catch lower 6 my I can learn sub the A levels that down that bola yom everywhere to umbrella na sub
it's happen that
so mama I can da ba when I yam to mama I can bela when that pep up when I need can you see so Tamasco ma Kantile be SP senior prefect 1978-79. No, Nkrumah appeal Sukurma ku Northern region. Northern upper is upper West Zaha. Tamasco ma kondanye di officially. It is the teacher na mtu chang. Kadiru yuwar ka chang suku. Ganas kubia, Tamasco kubia. Patare. Rizanya yum. No problem. So from there can the John Legon.
Okay. Wow. No, this is interesting, and you know, Kaman Pumpo, the Shabian, the Telanzo attack aho. Now, so Kaman Alaji, Sunda Yulo Yetwa was so big. Who listen on him. Yeah, Pumpo, you need to so move attack at different.
Korea told me, we were
no one better. No one better. You know, Takabla Malti.
Takabla Malti.
You know, so the sooner Kaman, now you are so general. How been done? Unto Mala brother. How papa.
Yeah.
Can you try sometimes? Can you try? Never result Takano.
Yes.
And so I think it's another lesson that we are learning from Alaji story, Mama. Tina mentioned me. Tina Gumucha to come there food. Kalamna. Sama no question ma. Tina post Alaji to pago on Chan Legon. Then chanting your Legon, Mama. Cause Bokura Karam. Kawula Kara teacher knew. Onangula Hallet be. Jaji tuma pune kali tuma wa pune yeto abone gwa de mbiara pune yela bian pam katina mpobre nso ntia akunya kan viala ngoma man yala ntila ngoma subhanallah nzuma o kapie yo hotan gban pune to dun waza za kapie na jimbian aku bor sitra ngoma tete wa hal kaman din yala amala amaliya be suna ki bone she group ikula ambotana ko hal tan into ku yo munya ambotana ma afya yala ka shalitin ya ka asama me ko kul non de ba pam ka bo zak shi namba na ma kul yir na ba atin ka liga yina sha polo zak namba ba ko mo yiro da bora liga be sitra da sa sitra na zan cha occasion inshallah wa shabta ka dia fa shalin be no butu fo kom kalam na tilam na inshallah to zan da sama ba to ma non da ci ba ka bo Sagan TV mo de chankata
The battle line has been drawn. 11 beautiful ladies battling for one prestigious crown. Yes, this is Miss Damba 2021. Who wears the crown? Is it gonna be Salma from Yindi, Rabi from Bimbila, Taiba from Sanargu, Swadi from Damu, Mandea, Ushe Tamale, Tiyumba, Sakasaka Tamale, Wuni, Dalirgu, Salma, Wadke Tamale, Sumvela, Buku, Salpawani, Pavlup, or Maltiti Lanto. Join us from Friday, August 20th and every other Friday as they battle it out for the ultimate prize. Venue is Ghana Hotel, Tamale, off the Tamale Yindi Salaga Road. Time is 7:45 p.m. and rate is free.
Come with a nose mask as all COVID-19 safety protocols will be observed.
Performances will telecast on Sagane TV on every Saturday at 9 p.m. and on My TV on every Sunday at 8 p.m. Come cheer your favorite and remember to dial *800 *505 hash and follow the prompt to vote for your favorite. Miss Damba 2021 is proudly supported by Minazin Food Spices, Chipra Artworks, Sagane TV, My TV,
Ghana Hotel, Sontaba, Ghana.
with media support from Miss Damba 2021, showcasing our culture.
no foka pa mana ku gumana na chiva Sagan TV zo yula de jaleo na biale zo da selo mene ya mangna justice imoro zablem retired inshallah fu on yala ala kale kurle tam bi shab jaaje no la ka te mino fu ayur taba chief cha te kara ko nya lego
Yes.
Call bo ara a cha te kara
The channel Legon in 1979.
okay.
So 79 ma ne abi Tamasco ndare like history, economics and geography. So Tamasco za kama na kuno nya ya di chante karam law.
Okay.
Men da bi yon chen Tamasco anda nyira lo ba mama. Ko duho lori chen ko tune kan ku yuna me no. Na yu kon mangwene di.
So anye fa sha de na mo so kama ho. Anye ara nyora lo ba ma.
Yes.
Kuchena kanyen ta ataya
Yeah.
no shinga biombe shamba so bunu me ko dole ora ta shukuru to kumpo tan bra no dala tan dunya ya ninye justice zolom shamwa o yiri wa jelpa shinga male dujo saka wakaya
I know the bifela tenan kana the time she ni mohe
okay, so geography,
history and economics, and Tamasco for A levels in the Abala. Okay. Legon. Me that Tamasco my fonds man that feel law. Law mean the law. Yeah, I think law. Cape Coast Bank and Lampi Cape Coast. Cape Coast man history. Sociology me shawongo. So results that you know the time magba papers that they ka buy under young. Graphic many times no woman. The Canadian part from this. Into Parliament that Jelma. The time.
So maybe weekly.
Candidate chan rivoli. Kanya di core papers ma candidate yinga. Because trapon wa rumors ne resource yina. Alle gonam the Cape Coast na ma BP nearby na Canada University. So in that form paper wa candidate yen yule. Cape Coast. Kan na zanson. Kana tiara. Quand l'un another people can be Legon, can that choose Legon? Chanting on law. First year, second year, third year. Can now law degree 1984. 82 LLB.
Yeah.
Then on law, my Catholic Chamakwala, my professional law. So, that law 84, my reversion my time can be on 82. Kabubo you then can Wallace ne. Nan kanati di sonka pa tribunals. And that man is a shabla goma, kamye revolutionaries, kamima. So when that is on ULT. So maybe law school, makwalama, ka combine with Tuma at the tribunal registrar be administrator and Danyama law school. So wait, there are two pump combining studies plus administrative work. It was not easy. Can that be any man the time man always change bio kum time man have so many problems ka Libya nam peka never recruit the teachers
yes
ka that chance apply ka recruit ma kan chan Libya to go 1.5 years kana lab na Ghana
so
to banda law school
I have now law kana
first year kana go chan Libya so Libya ka 1.5 years ka ntia ka America da bombe Tripoli men Benghazi nama ka karate English students ne bon wor simsilman ne teacher no blangete English ma fish kana yal tabayato kulma ka shab zasura finally ka benda sartama ma ka trapake kuna lo enu sabe da bien mi no da be du yenga gwa
yes he said it no I am to try and find out so na me for yama on this show here I was on the show so what I am on that channel media yeah okay
ya mi no da kuna kan lab law school ko chan workers college na lab law school ka boma to Ghana babio
okay
so I was then a lawyer kan kuna yon nti chan to join lawyer Mumuni Chambers Malgu Chambers min lawyer Mumuni lawyer Shin SY ne lawyer Terror ne lawyer Lima ne lawyer Shabu man pudo
lawyer Terror we are coming for you now
katubeni mani ka lawyer Mumun tetamba boku tetama paramada ri bibianwo osa base bi wanda bala ndazan la zosa hande beaucoup kan pas beaucoup te case ngoni ta par da mal case ni man ko tamma ko tumani kan ya ka judge ma min de magistrate ma min lawyer so mun betan man ma da bugum nyaksam so no kuna mais no private law ma man ko to no
kan ya bo so ka da bugum nyaksam
I don't know. The mother be shong. So that could ballet. No, yeah, no, yes. So can that? Madam Yellow Muba.
Okay.
Hotel Yanla apply to travel as my Pumima. Cabraza Malay prosecutor.
Okay.
Special prosecutor and you do on that. Come on, couldn't special bumbo. The upon establishment, role the establishment, special prosecutor's office. And apply comes on special assistant special prosecutor.
Okay. For which district?
Kapusma Tamala. Okay. Can you imagine? And you want to prosecute nearby, to prosecute nearby. Now, so I never numbers of Jenny, you know, I mean nearby, Dang, you know, Azonema, have a family. There are the House of Chiefs, can prosecute, cut the Sabian, the boss, I'm on money. Yet the could to be Tamal, tomorrow you beat Tama and could to effectively. Could I transfer my Tema, White House Tema.
Okay.
From Tema, Accra first, then to Tema.
Okay.
So we tell no, because so Attorney General they are applying for lawyers. This is a constitution in 1992 Porumbala. Then they apply to be an assistant state attorney and government lawyer last Sabo.
Okay.
They actually interview, they interview, resources in a Kabzan Ottawa. And as a government lawyer, assistant state attorney. So woman that one when that time I was 1990 can change 1990. And then I was 10 years assistant state attorney. Okay. From there, woman no 5 years in assistant state attorney's department ma. Can apply to be a magistrate.
Okay.
So woman can apply to be a magistrate. Ka bukpomaya. Kazan zamano waya. So Gondania magistrate upper west region mandachan tumu kachan nadoli kachan Laura ni jirapa kalajin wa so trasha dalame mandi maybe tumu Tuesday lakatra nonda leka bete de promotuma to circuit court judge lanye circuit tribunal 10 years ndaba wa kazama tahakra.
So all the 10 years Muma Unzai were magistrate in that.
Yeah. Okay. But I went in the community tribunal chairman by equivalent to magistrates.
Okay.
So 10 years Maza. No, 5 years I was a state attorney.
Okay, yes.
Then 5 years as a magistrate. So 10 years. Can Nancha Accra 2 years as a second judge. 2 years Konko Kandana
Accra, which area?
Ndabe cantonments, but the courts were Cocoa First courts, Cocoa First.
Okay.
Ndabe Court E.
Okay.
It was terrible, hectic. There are 40 cases a day, 50. I be nale, but you must do them one. To me, you stay 3 o'clock, I journey 3 p.m. 4. From there, Kapitama Lapis Borga. So I learned Borga 5 years. Borga then that so case my daddy Zui. So that to Borga. So Borga can be car. I be no vacancies for high court. The time I tell exam so team that pilgale to go to high court. Kat exams man and you and pass here. Captain high court judge. Zawata Kumasi. Baptism of fire.
Mashallah. Okay. Think out to the experiences of the baptism of fire, and that is Akubasi Zagu.
Yeah.
But on a normal day, Kamane, what is the life of a judge? Kamane, judge. This is Alkali. You have people's destinies and fate in your hands. You know.
Yeah.
How come on? We like a feel as a judge coming to sit and look into cases.
The very easy. She now Subo. The patients work area ma solo bio the part very easy because never feri bia nuni anto parshap sarka sometimes ka shaba ka yene dukumba you know ka so mayile bio plot ka yene so dini ko dini yeto karanyele she now Subo nyama biani anyuti ba tia la case wonta andi bindura tia la case you want do tia la case la ku yele ami ka zonima abi en yurgor gerne kadi to ami so ezani me so nya ka na adina bribe so sani so akubi akunku akazo da kunya har kat now you going to teach on retirement ma.
Now let's look at Kumasi Biago. You know so I remember Yavona Asaka or I on that bay audit service.
Yeah.
You know how difficult it was to manage Ashanti Regional Program, but he was able to be there for about 4 or 5 years. You know, so over a year, how difficult it. The local man, like what is it about Kumasi that?
No, there's a lot of pressure. Okay. Should be a law, the rules and regulations got to tumda. But I never be militancy and to so by force. So I have now maybe been told yesterday. Kashambaje no wa chamti tia la so sane ka sonde lanka chu I share law ma the rules and regulations so president be Kumasi inside that but when body kotu ya to apam so when body kotu apam so comes an in palade jaji na me kotuma then jago mi se da be Kumasi ma
but chat ko ajaji tumapuna kare tumapune kamane dra kuma case ya karku kanasa kamane ka kulivile je to ama ka kunda mboma bia mfumo ma
ye to apam bien lala she imani na yuko ka ku pisa anapon son ton ka ye ya mama ka malge kuma suma mangwa brabo no nonsense judge ka she ni ya cause no is no. Yes. So I know la people are being appeal.
But before can you judge ana case? Is it that happen like no reaction, no by yellow? No reaction, no reaction.
Amara. When you live Magaro and Magua, we young okay, you know, penny to by shark chunk to be kundanani, bokun money, and bazama my experience. The wisdom pie. Yes, I'm a training. Now Bansem yellow. Can young marriage Kaku Bangley? You know, Kalam and Magba, Kalambang. Now the wire mamma be sharing. Zampa Bukuna Caramboni. So,
now I'm so happy because come on. Nika yara kazonde na woni yetu adopune kabwar kaman adults yetu but the way you announce that you know expose and you know it all comes back to the a private practitioner you know has there been issue instances there are two months ashara ka shabkuzan sayana na tadi kana ndwel anyanga na buto nta ben shanga ato so baka
na ko sai
no like kama sura min try ala
o din una madi wa ka bonlo ma temptations bio
yes
de bien temptations bi hal to makam ne ma temptations bien hala yon don you know temptation bien ka to ma jirba see but now so woni nyinde ko not upright they can alama anto yele la no jim solo ka nye to ma kwashi la nyele you know ndabe ka bon man no nonsense judge madman and all that.
Now but I am because there are so many other young guys looking up to people like you. Kama ko den kunya ngba te do na yala judge.
Yes.
So like in such instances bulan tuni judge one is it just akwen za asile be de ma te dargo bo shala yan to example won kana
anto dargo table anto reportu ka bago ba no fitina kara ba je to wala ago bo nyon karmu ka wono normi ko lan kana yanga she bien ben to maye mama o kale zo da biam ko sule ngura so abura ko en wono ka karo
o kumule ma ka tele ma tu
o za abura kayo ni sa o chen o zo ben chan so
but after cases chat pere me gba after cases I mean ye to artist kama obviously o Maria ma ka to ko kana to po
I know man da bu countenance la because man da miela o man sane man me be useless san ka do bra bi ko ba no ka bi an tuba ka karba no de unkam kable pakla sambane abi an gumle chef de gumle yara
ashe tun kamfun da kuntuna za adalci na wanzo
na zo za
masha Allah now chato na ku mbe jaji tarama ba fune it's a very very interesting you know what do we call profession and Mamura, I give my heart out to people like you and I salute Lawyer Mumuni for instance he's been my father ever since I had him on this show and just that the right that by the bolo be jump to for some kubo gati azanti Lawyer Mumuni ne na ba pre tolara inshallah mba kema mba inshallah tolara les autres en pour son zanti ndi ta ça ça tin tolara mo yan je
very good
and whenever there's a problem you can mistake shall
ita tin na di Tamasco man blan you tolara halzo
ko bar ko ma shamba an da bo Tamasco okay but let's come and now talk a lot more about life generally nkuba ntun lafna mnyanga biala ada adi alizamaza kwa kamane anda chan shukuru sham ne yeto asha kama challenge dinga kara to face shukuru ma chan de pune ka kuma ta past station kar na kama shukuru wali ba na kula chan
primary school be middle school
from primary to middle all the way to
no mandana jinyala disappointment gonja gbala muro danya karachi mbaranya karachi mbapanum za karachi na so panwa so tinwatin sukuma ya kunya kaman
you were already self-motivated.
Du kuma la kamande be doam no pune. So tenanda ku chanwe. Tenanda is frustrated.
Mashallah. Wow.
Now,
let's come and talk about your life principles. Dadam kam fuko be bia wupun ka ko mala kamane. Mambara ko gob shele bia gono ka so kam ni ma halle ne nye shele ka to mala chana kama hal sun shara mala simisi and life principles. Kamane hal dina ka ko ko as an individual it was on chan hal kan so hal ne anjia sa.
Now you kone nta kunya kama love for people. Love, kindness, forgiveness. You know, in the urine salnama. Ka charbetal panaba. Bitumatar ka forgetly. Ka move forward. Ka retire your top yere ne your top kura. Nta den son. Anyanka so do ya ka focus ra ka chantoni.
Wow. Okay, so I was wondering, tell you about good chantala for kwam kalamna. Nta many anti introduction na ya no nyala mangna. Bonye mangna, you know, yakare yina we are ko pin na halin nya mangna ngoma. Da za san yara tin ya mbishal. Kana nce sai tin yara won sabu kuna ma na biala publishing level. You know, then you're very soon. Don't go to for come labna ti labna inshallah tun zanti jingo ba zan to ka di afan shal dem biar pun di chan katan sa ganti ma no na ti makabo.
I am Sheikh Muhammad Al-Amin Bamba.
Alhaji Muhammad Mumuni, otherwise called Lawyer Mumuni.
Damascus Tuyoso.
Professor Amin Al-Hassan.
Yusuf Husseini.
Haja Mariam Idrisu.
Malik Al-Hassan Yakubu.
Abdullah Baba Salih.
Salfi Said.
Ibrahim Tanko Amin.
Abdurrahman Muhammad Hassan.
Haja Aishi to see.
Ahmed Abubakar Yusuf.
Keep watching.
Minority
Achiever.
Keep watching Minority Achiever on Saturday TV.
The battle line has been drawn. 11 beautiful ladies battling for one prestigious crown. Yes, this is Miss Damba 2021. Who wears the crown? Is it gonna be Salma from Yindi, Rabi from Bimbila, Taiba from Sanargu, Swadi from Damu, Mandea, Ushe Tamale, Tiyumba, Sakasaka Tamale, Wuni, Dalirgu, Salma, Wadke Tamale, Sumvela, Buku, Salpawani, Pavlup, Maltiti, Nanto. Join us from Friday, August 20th and every other Friday as they battle it out for the ultimate prize. Venue is Ghana Hotel, Tamale, off the Tamale Yindi Salaga Road. Time is 7:45 p.m. and rate is free.
Come with a nose mask as all COVID-19 safety protocols will be observed.
Performances will telecast on Sagane TV on every Saturday at 9 p.m. and on My TV on every Sunday at 8 p.m. Come cheer your favorite and remember to dial *800 *505# and follow the prompt to vote for your favorite. Miss Damba 2021 is proudly supported by Minazin Food Spices, Chipra Artworks, Sagane TV, My TV,
Ghana Hotel, Sontaba, Ghana.
with media support from Miss Damba 2021, showcasing our culture.
Aporo so nkubo kanda kumetra ankle bo Sagan TV my no na chiva you love the jalil na biale kan tira na ba na kama ne sutura nguna nta adana nye ni sala na onye nta yiko bialfu ka agba no to kulo nye sutura ma nto yara de gba nyala ben shadun son da bia gupunu pam to lu kan tira ne ntila ngoma labrata zak onyala ngombe bamfam so ngo so tamale kartune ayikul bwarla la sutura kan le tira na kama amal ya besuna ten ko non the group ngoma be hagba chagba passing out ki mala be any other occasion ki boni no yayi ka bon ne sitra ma de jale bien yalanka chayele kam bolen zak ako kolo ona mawozo inshallah fu onyala mo ya shela ni mo mata lu kam ka be tan kam ka be ko kolo mo hala biala simin tan ka borle kolo mo tumbanti ya na sham kar paga na 054 922 9750 054 922 9750 Bolazak ko she nyabata ka yele ka pe zama pupuni ka so kan za sa ban sutura ka ashiri yon ba sa wazo on ti ambuna to qualify tejima domine sa ba blan ya to chief cha ta bo anya kamare mangna you know ya so ka mangna de yina
okay
ka nam yele wula ka kili na ma haitu to nye
nam yele yam bayile gushaw tinya nabi
okay
yabgushana salaya yabgushana amiro yabgushana salaya yabgushana amuro yabgushana amiro yabgushana ziblam na sasoma ne yabgushana aliro tiyanama namnyele namzulen katina so ka mbara beyon ka gba pamde mbamisa ma marbo o tabra bono ingrams o classmate danye misa sane Hassan Yusuf go kombon loyal asani ingrams so wanda gba pamle katizon okulian kapito nam goodna ko le good ara la san kapito nam goodna kapito nam so wanda kan katimo okule kabiyan program boko kala tama lengong bale from there ka gushina ba banglana tama di mangna da kan ka gushina ba banglana tama mang so mama ra cha na harkan gbati bogu shaw kara lebinya ma yila tiya manam mazula nyara galwi Galwe na zima zule nyamma
so bishango ka garge ka banya ka dige
no mang dapum malamang
okay
ka bor gu shago
okay
so nam zule kan yana mayil nam
so na on ta bishango
ami
atu ku kun bishango yan do ya
am jene
wow did shamba
so lambara
ba mango is it tungshen yale de
ay ku tang yale de ku pan tang yale de mango shago kama 15 miles yale amara num kati nam jirle nti agushana ba gbanlanda zama mati different person takada nyon gbogbo so onda kane kabene be lapsan tahti yana nda chanda di mama
okay but people the chieftaincy institution ma the nyala ben shao the male so many skirmishes if I can put it that way we like to clear now as a people that one per se to banton clear nation chakata chieftaincy institution go ba kare daraja na je shakara lamna
she to ko gola tradition ma kabzan repair politics ne kabla za repair lagre toane kar ku to ko go tradition ma ne customs ma ne share nta ta darasa na lan yisi zane lo ba ma sabu kunum pam zan pare polo hakan basab shele gushaw royal so gushaw
royal so gushaw so nta de benen nabo
tana
publish it but it seems to is going to be a very nice book, inshallah.
So just that so the chieftaincy so you'll be on track, especially at the bank Kore we are makati yete the za Kore ni kazan namati rightful persons te don ko bala ma
how about the salongo ma meba tan salongo ma me ban tan tarmo ban do yin nan te me ba obligation they to rule nyala the net to play ne chaka to lift na bound sa adin to the lift
and actually tarmo ko to pibe so hibo na oni piso no nyena nti tarmo wa yin tunga kunya yi dola na ka jamdo ka sondo o bobtan banma ka nan so kam za da amfani tarmo ngon ron ko ba taram kan na pi mo kai na je mo no na oni zan nan tisu ka so kam dola
mashallah now chatika to ponyanya Brutus yakala because appears Sam Yana Brutus I man no player woman Brutus now legend Brutus so yaka Brutus ma
de Brutus ma tunda ko pile mu
okay
jama na lero training college kan da cham T1 1971 bio I don't know kanye ka so sab opunuzo sinasu no Brutus akra ko no manyaso sanko ba kan pe classe yul nya Brutus pon ni jama ka pe hade ta cham tamara university shabjin yule ko mi hala Brutus ba hade tama mandaro read literature ba mban 6e Brutus ya to anoldo julo 6e inde Brutus Shakespeare sabama later on can't ban it that's how Brutus came about
Brutus ma de
kadiki ndia
masha Allah people on the barsha ya mbona ta ko manyanya kamar Abdulam ne kama biyaram dina kara ku no like kan mama ku ja tuna kai la biyaram wa dira ku kan ne Abdulam da
tun wusuma tana bishan ma tara zor vipam tana nye bihi kai sinna ka trinan kura jilma ayi ntu yuwi pambwane ya kacha shelbian zon kalo be wi zan kalo mayu ka zan ko table aba ku to pena so tara bi yiri yur sambani titama TV da kan biyo phones da kane so tanda ku biyan na simpa da biyan ku shawo ka chantu yur simpa kalan labkuna zambara so tanda ri bana biyarlam nta leton ka nira chan training college no nda ya people teacher kala bi pyarma benda yorma kampil de bi yar shan nangbo nwan ku to yele pe
okay but like I got you know in fact it's almost everybody's lifetime there comes a time I feel that no you are on top of the world so how you cry here I believe it was that time
no but there are so the time I tried jordan kura katriba jilma I tried nan tan nan yeso sha soy nale abinya kuvela
Another thing that is of interest to me is the fact that you are still 58.
68 now you kone
okay, all right, okay. So then that means I'm wondering why you retired early. But if it is 68,
68 in Yama.
Yeah.
Gender one now you go ni chance 69. But High Court but retired last 65.
Okay.
Court of Appeal Supreme Court retired 70. So in that two Court of Appeal ka retire High Court 65 ka panda pai. Ka Yama na retire so kanda kuna.
No, I've enjoyed myself.
No, I'm
and I believe that one can be somebody that can use that. Can't find the but here no sham yam come sound was on. Born to deal as the Baba and people. The society malam pardon that bishop. The Bamba may be new Kuran is a man than Betara. Jasma, the Jasmine Tabi Dunia Betara. We can't throw our hands in despair and say that the young man, you know. So we like to play as a people. How you check come you some come here like at the Bamba, can do bounty and national tabak at the bank Caribbean
the Mali na kone the man we can managwa to yanam nanka chen salti bio ka te banam tokbio ka bata tokra then the Mali amadi amma shamyala she tidi tanani moy kache garagara tumbu kaman yon moto bar kelesle we tramol nama you know kadibu ku chen ba hat bukatuma halanye fitagba bianye missing ba anye electrician ba de so na kabin shornanda ka biane kar kunya bila palazo tere chala ben yera ka fokosi ka bana te banam ne chabin jan zalto ma shi te bul vyanga abu bul vyanga den sa kari san kanyi bi ayansi so resim skate te no solo ka tumtuma vyanga ka yede venya to kobene c'est ka focusé ngo kan ba bonen tibi ngo kan bonen bi tibi ka chedi vol jungle number.
Another question I would love to ask even before Kate is you judging Daniel. Has there been a case ka waku akulmabi kapulant you can kai mistake and the
yeah there have been cases the by nang mara hands on the terry yela kuma sinda technical case na university boys sep kabada kare ne exams na kabzura banda dole procedure ma kara ba committee university na ma da bukati probablement be wulanyel ma kabudo procedure ka boycott committee ma anti abelo da raise objection committee ma overrule bro lawyer ma di jesul pakobus so bim blan yi committee woni hal ka committee ma tang ma to ma ka karba suku kap kana ko tune kuma sai ko tu kan ye procedure be shaban de committee ma da dolma bro male because brabu mbe to brabu yele to meanwhile so didn't can da no mistake meanwhile ben da jesul zasi kan da committee ma no wrong cut to order ye bi hala musukuru.
Wow.
That was one.
I'm sure maybe sympathy.
Yeah, education. That will be sure. I know that picture appeal. There are parts come question decision ma. Yes, well, there's another one.
Okay.
This one. What was that? Yeah, Kumazuma no about a property house. Can let judgment against the plaintiff. Okay, they defend my own so yele because paper shaben da circulate again manuela painting what I need ozon kwara yon to ko zon mi ani di opan o lagre kay yulita kada cha wara opan ma bi o committee kana no opan me kada yo normal ka you know ka ti changa appeal ka be no ra committee to ma ka fo yele
no but come on ya shemuna it may be that maybe the appeal court just saw it differently from what you said.
That maybe the note.
Maybe
well, my procedure can yell ma.
Yes.
So comes on procedure. My law my two sides in yelling. Okay. 2 coins. So one here, one there.
So in your life as a judge, those are the only 2 cases.
Yeah, I think so.
As a high court judge.
Yeah, as a high court, yeah, can lose it. 2 ma come call me. Yeah, 2 ma. Now you can.
That is a serious record.
Now you can. 2 ma. Yeah. So the 2 ma could tell you, I'm not happy. So tell her.
Mashallah. Well, to sum as unless you have any other thing to say.
Oh, Papa in Kamana. Goma kafu nyere. Ibore ni kamandi when you sermana young boys ma, young men ma, when you role models, ka copy. Ke o zon ogwanda chansham halte pasham. Chang ba non moy. Ka di solo. Ka chan la tin ka son dadam, ka son dan. So mpare pam because ni yerma na ikone manye first high court judge to North regions are manye first high court judge later on ka justice Idrisu Tudolna diere wora kane na no morama ka justice Idrisu balankana ngumi ya busang men dagbana so te parna woni yana kana shama pare pam na on chara ngoman ni ti young boys won nini ka bande sokolo nyabe shakam akto jare ndi yer Jesus sa sha pil biela nyabe shakam kana wanza ta page ombo na pa shelma na on tiru na sa ku to no bi shoshi na woni amma na ku ta abu focus abu tiare du so ka bobi yamangle no de bi jala so she yamangle solo ne non kura jilma tibu zambala ne di zone ma azo am pizo ni mama abu pizo zo de zo son ombrega to zone magbati am piba to manta maka pizo so mo yan cha a chan to mo yan wo hayam ka director
Now let's just talk a little about your own small family. How many wives?
Family, mala one wife. O yila bemblana.
Okay.
Katama 4 children. Now you kone. Fiza be Accra, onya lawyer.
Okay.
Ka Nasir nang masters. O wekala high court as a registrar.
Okay.
Ka Dr. BP. Last week on medical school young. Mpa woni. Ka Caleb. Winning T. Ko be Legon. Second year. Ka Mary last born ko be the St. Rose's Secondary School. Now you go.
You should be a fulfilled man.
Now I
believe that having people know now if you are called by your maker, I'm sure you'll be fulfilled. In fact, you are a real hero of the Lord. Sometimes I say it a lot.
Now you come back.
Now to boys who catch now, you have to blow your trumpets. You know, you have done your bit.
Now
for Ghana,
and
for we on Minority Children, we say thank you so much. Sometimes I wish we could do more. It's just that the support is not enough. Because I wish we could have a citation that we can give to all of these people. But inshallah, maybe with time we'll be able to get so that
we can take back Dama Katikba Sonya. Provincial Malzati, now be anti Majiko. To song, Karichan Tony.
Okay, so Pyongo Kasa Akuya Satiti, I could be the comes as a couple. My Lord Nachiva Sagan TV, Zombo, Kayan, Nyokon, Nti, Dagbanza, and Nagbayene. You know, to borrow a computer, inshallah, 2 years ago, Alaji Savannah, and I put that laptop city. And you know, as time goes on, with editing and other Benyarama, it comes with a lot of problems on the laptop. You know, the Balura problems. So to borrow a desktop, don't come desktop, be laptop, don't buy as we could pay a cap, she didn't to something. And to buy 020-778-2424, 020-778-2424. Check at the bank at the woman of Nachiva Yorlam. Lalanya Katinsia Sasha, my Lord Nachiva Bopi terminated the award, Ghana Youth Awards, and program is selected as the best youth program of the year. The Nyala Ghana ZA Award scheme. Now, but voted with mobile money or anything. The Nyala channel website, Ghana Youth Awards. I could search it on Google and you'll catch out to vote. With your email address, you register and go and vote under Youth Program of the Year. Ntatumait mabia dasika, graphic designer of the year, kagwa biara puna, I chant to vote my Lord Nachiva, to na vote over ka ti kpola jashi no ma kuna dagban to julungo ka ti sasa beke North Crown ton fuka pa pam kan leti ya na Miss Damba 2021 yala dan goyiro ba pam ka do Miss Damba ka ti to zan to kala ngo ba zan so nyanya ti yan man sham ka kalma ti tuni samu zo ne ai bulan go dam insha Allah na wai party zuwa dale nyala mu la zan ba no na chi ba ti ka ti di afan sha dem der fu mi la de jaleo la biale assalamu alaikum